Hey everybody! In this video we're going to go over the topic finding the slope over horizontal and vertical lines. So here we can see we have a vertical line and a horizontal line. Now about a little guy driving in his car. He's not going to be able to drive on a slope that looks like this, right? That looks like this. So he's going to fall that vertical line. The slope is undefined. Equation of a vertical line look like the equation of a line is always going to be x equals h, because x is always going to be equal same value along that line. Okay, now for a vertical slope, a horizontal line, a horizontal line is going to have zero slope. A horizontal line equation is always going to be y equals k, because y is always going to equal the same value. If you think of this as remember the change in y over the change in x, there's zero change in x, so that's over 0. And it's like kind of think of it as infinite. You could do it as, well, I could just go up 1 and I'm still on the same line. But anytime I divide by 0, what's going to happen? The universe explodes and we get undefined. Okay? For 0 slope, the change in y, well, my y here starts at -1. I go to -0 change in y. I can think the change in x as I went over 1, right? So that's why we get 0 slope for horizontal lines and an undefined slope for vertical lines.